Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells and welcome back to another eBay BOLO video. BOLO stands for Be on the Lookout, and this video is part of a playlist I am building and maintaining of my top 100 items to look for when you are out thrifting at garage sales, estate sales, finding those used items to sell on eBay. So I have the link to the playlist below so you can watch the videos and become familiar with what is out there and how much it is worth. Real quick before I get into the video, I wanted to let you know about this magazine that came out yesterday, which was July 19th, 2019. There is an article in there about the pros reveal the clutter that's worth $5,000 or more. Found money. And the magazine is Woman's World. It's on the checkout stands at grocery stores, Walmart, all those kind of places. And on page 42, there's an article that I contributed to. So you can check that out when you are standing in the checkout lines this week, or if you want to just read the article, I have a link below where you can go and read it online. So let's get into the video about Rushton Plush. Okay, first here is a quick introduction to this company and what the items are that you would be looking for. So the article says, Mary Rushton from Atlanta founded the Rushton Company in 1917, and White, her daughter, designed most of the dolls and stuffed animals. Until 1983, the firm was family owned and operated. Rushton's dolls were made of the best materials, rayon, plush, and cotton stuffed with top grade products. The sewed in eyes did not pull out, and the noses were embroidered by hand. Tongues were made of felt and the bows of satin. Rushton made hand-painted rubber dolls and rubber-faced animals from the 1950s until the 1960s. It was one of Rushton's most popular toy lines and consisted of many different toy stuffed bunnies, monkeys, Rushton Santas, cats, ducks, and other animals and figures with rubber faces. So if we go over to eBay, I've done a search here for Rushton Plush, and we're also going to look at Rushton dolls just so you can see what they are. But you can see here these are completeds, and they are sorted in order of highest price to lowest. So you can see the prices on these are just astronomical because this is a true collectible. It was only made for a short period of time, but just like everything else, eventually it's going to come out of these people's homes, it's going to show up in front of you, and you're going to know what it is. So the telltale sign of the Rushton plush are the rubber faces. So let's just take a look at this one here real quick so you can get a closer look. Is titled Vintage Rushton Rubber Face Light Pink Bear Plush, Rare, 18 inches tall. So it is a plush stuffed animal, and you can see there the face is very different from the rest of the body. It's rubber. It looks hand painted. It has the tush tag that says the Rushton Company, Atlanta, Georgia. And this is a great listing with a lot of pictures. You can see it's not perfect because it is so old, and there's a little bit of dirt on the face. You can always do more research online about how to clean vintage plush and dolls. This one says Happy, Sad, Pouting, Crying Face Vintage Rushton Rubber Face. There's two of them together that sold for $400. Here we have another one that's Rare, Sad, Pouting, Crying Face, and that one went for $400. We have another one here with Rubber Face Pink Plush Bunny Rabbit with Easter Egg, sold for $375. And I think we have some old family photos with my sisters and I that maybe we had one of these. Of course, I don't have it now, but I was born in the mid 60s, so that's very possible because I remember these, but I've never come across one in my eBay career, but that doesn't mean I won't. Okay, so now we've got a monkey, the Zip Chimp from Howdy Doody Show. That one was in the original box. We've got, looks like an octopus. That one went for $273.98. And then we have another Easter bunny that went for $250. Here is a Daisy Bell cow. So you can see these have a very distinct look to them with the rubber face. Here's one that was very well loved. You can tell by how dirty it is. Went for $225. So these are highly collectible. They could very well be mixed in with all of the plush in the big bins at the thrift store, shoved back in there with everything else, because I always say this, but I want to get the point across that you just don't know what's going to show up in front of you. And these thrift stores, they don't know everything. They don't know every single high dollar collectible that exists. So we just have to make the effort to be smarter than they are and know more, so that when we see these valuable items, we can recognize them. So let me show you real quick Rushton dolls. Okay, these are completeds again. And you can see here this first one, vintage Rushton rubber face bunny rabbit. They did not put plush in that title, so that's okay. I'm just showing you that there's more than just that first search. You have to sometimes do different searches with different keywords. This one went for $350. Here is an elephant that went for $275. Here's a clown. That one went for $239.88. Here we have a goat. Went for $231.38. And now we get into the actual dolls. And so this one is a little Bo Peep doll. Here's another doll dressed in yellow. This one doesn't have a particular name. That one went for $177.50. And so your next question is, how do you know if it's Rushton? Well, it's going to be on that tush tag. That's what plush collectors call it. So if you look closely, it says the Rushton Company, Atlanta, Georgia. Without the tag, you can't really prove that it's Rushton. Yeah, you could probably sell it because these are so unique looking and easily identifiable with the rubber face, but collectors like that tag on it because that is proof of what it is. So I hope this was a new one for you. Would love to know if you have found this item, if you've sold it, or if you even knew about this, because my mission here on YouTube is to educate and help everybody become smarter sellers so we can all make more money. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.